now we're heading into Dinoland USA to do Dinosaur. Rawr. Rawr. Of course, on our way to Dinosaur, we have to say hi to our friend Sue. Hello, Sue. How are you?
Right.
I love the dinosaur queue because of all the fossils and all the cool displays that you can see. There's just so much to look at in here, including this fossil of a Carnotaurus. We just did Dinosaur, which is one of my personal favorite rides. Michael, what did you think about it?
It would be really awesome on a really hot day. Plus, it's really awesome in general.
Yes, absolutely.
But there's just so many gusts of wind.
Yeah. I also don't remember it being as intense. Like, I don't know. It was just more wild than I remembered, which was great. Yeah, right here in the Dinosaur, there's a whole train going around the store. Dinosaurs from the ceiling. What a place. Alrighty, heading into Dino-Rama, which might not be long for the world, unfortunately. I actually really love Dinoland USA. It's definitely in need of some major improvement, but I think the dinosaur theme should persist. But yeah, the area definitely looks empty without Primeval Whirl.
Carnotaurus was the terror of Cretaceous periods. Definitely bad to the bone.
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago.
An amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaur. That's the fact. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world that will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Olioramus.
Now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission.